Now look at all of this payment proof right here. People from all around the world are making hundreds of dollars and cashing that out every single day using today's method. Now just imagine being able to make thousands of dollars by using Facebook only. You won't need any prior experience or any skills of any sort to be able to join in on our method for today, and it's 100% free, which means that you will be not paying for anything or having to invest anything just to be able to do our strategy today. All you really need is a mobile phone, a laptop, a computer or a tablet, and an internet connection, and that's basically all you need to get you started. It's available to everyone around the world, and that's what we love the most about it. Throughout our entire video for today, we are going to be dropping some tips and tricks to help you make the most of our method for today and even more. So if you don't want to miss that, then make sure that you stick around. We will be walking you through the step-by-step process to today's method so that you won't get lost or confused, because we want you to be as successful as we are in using this strategy. Now, the whole process is relatively easy and free-flowing, but there are some parts that are specific and we need you to pay close attention to and follow along with very closely. Now, to be able to get the best results from today's video, make sure you stay until the very end of this video to not miss a thing. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So first of all, you're going to need a Facebook account. Now, we're sure that all of you already have a Facebook account, but if you're someone who doesn't have a Facebook account, then you can just go to facebook.com, and then you're going to be able to see where you can sign up, and just sign up like you would. Fill in all of the details being asked: your first name, your last name, your mobile number, your email, your password, your birthday, your gender, and boom, once that's all completed, you can finally sign up and there's your account. Of course, you're gonna have to verify your email, so just go on your email inbox, look for the Facebook email where you can confirm and verify that your email is working, and as soon as you've done that, your brand new and personal Facebook account has finally been completed, and you now have an account of your own. So this is what the inside of your Facebook account looks like, okay? And you obviously know what that is already. But go ahead and click on Search Facebook on the upper left corner of your screen. And then we want you to search funny memes. And then hit enter on that. And then you're going to see this. So after that, we want you to look at the left side of your screen. And you'll see some options of what you're trying to look for exactly in relation to funny memes. So it's like a filter, and what we want you to filter is groups. So you're going to see all of the groups related to funny memes, all of the groups that are just funny memes. It's literally it. And all of these groups that you're seeing on our screen right now, this is what's going to earn us our money, our $4,000 and even more. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now here's an interesting part. Okay, go ahead, open up a brand new tab and type in memefactory.io. And that's going to take you to this page. Isn't the webpage just so cute? As you can see, it says a decentralized registry and marketplace for the creation, exchange, and collection of probably rare digital assets. If you scroll down, you're going to see hundreds and thousands of memes, funny memes. And these days, who doesn't love a good meme, right? Anyway, you'll notice that under each meme, there's going to be the name of the meme and how much it converts to, which means how many people are earning from the memes that they post. For example, this one right here, and it converts to 20 cents Ethereum or 0.20 Ethereum. And now for your information, 0.20 Ethereum in US dollars is $682. And even if you only get 0.01 Ethereum, that's still $341, which is absolutely insane. And this is basically how people from all around the world are making this much money. They convert how much they earn from Ethereum to US dollars, and then they cash it out. It sounds crazy that people are earning this much with today's method, but that's exactly why we're sharing this method, so you guys can try it out as well and earn and believe it, because don't get us wrong, we were a bit skeptical about it first, but then when we tried it, everything changed. We cashed out our money and we started receiving money, and the game just totally changed. It's real, and this time it's gonna be the next best thing that's gonna happen to you. We're now gonna show you an insane Facebook strategy later on, so make sure that you stick around for that. Now, just to let you know, you're not gonna have to make any of your own memes, okay? If you are having that question already pop up in your head, the answer is nope. You're not gonna create any of your own memes, which just made this method the best thing ever. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So now, under the memefactory.io website, we want you to look at the left side of your screen and look under Dank Registry, and then go ahead and select Submit. And then from there, it's going to take you to this page right here, which is where you're going to upload your meme for submission so you can start earning. So before you officially submit, make sure that you have a title and make sure that it's a funny one, something that's going to grab everyone's attention. Then the tags, and later on we're going to show you which tags will get you the most money. Then a comment, then make sure your meme is attached. And you can click on upload a file to do so, and once it's already in set, you can click on the submit button and start making money. You'll literally find your submission on the website's homepage, and what this website is going to be doing is that they're going to help you sell your memes, and every single day thousands of people who love a good laugh go on here and buy, and the lowest paying meme is priced at 0.01 Ethereum on this website. And even if that's all you earn, that's still $300 for only one meme. And did we already mention that you can actually submit more than one? Well, you can. You can submit 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, even 1,000 if you want to. And every day, passively, you're going to be earning from that, which we even think is absolutely crazy, times 2. We're going to be sharing some websites with you that have amazing memes that you can actually just grab from for free and then submit it on Meme Factory and earn. So you're not going to have to create a single meme at all, like we already said. You're just going to have to find the perfect, funny, free meme, download that meme, submit it, and just like that, you're going to earn. So for our first website, we want you to type in memedroid.com, and on this website is where you can download free memes straight into your computer for completely 100% free. And to find the best memes to make the most amount of money, we want you to click on Top Memes, which you can find on the left side of the page. Then choose Top Week, so that's all of the best memes for the week. And to download a meme or memes that you want to submit, just right click on the meme, click on Save Image As, and that should be downloaded straight into your computer. Second website to get free funny memes is called Jiffy.com, and on this website is where you can still find free memes and even GIFs if you're interested, and download for completely free as well, submit, and then earn from these memes too. Just look up funny memes, and that's really all you need to search on this website to get the best and the funniest memes that's gonna make you the most money possible. And down to the last secret that's going to really help you make more than most money ever is our Facebook strategy. And we should be on our most recent search earlier, which would be Facebook groups that contain all funny memes. And we want you to join these groups, okay? And what you can actually do here is share the link to your memes and the meme itself from memefactory.io so that people can see that post and click on it and go to your meme to share it. And then you're gonna earn. And that is basically how you can earn with memes and Facebook. So make sure you try this method out to make money online right away. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.